X and Y satisfy these two modulus inequalities and asked for the greatest possible value of the modulus of xy. So what I need to do is find the range of values of each and then think, how can I get the biggest total? So let's consider the first one. I'm actually going to rewrite it as the modulus of x minus 2 because it's exactly the same thing when you sketch it. Because if 2 minus x was equal to 3, for example, then the modulus wouldn't do anything. X minus 2 would be the minus 3, and the modulus would kick in, but we'd get 3 in each case. Now, when solving this inequality, what we tend to do is solve when it's equal to 6. So I can see the critical value is 2. It's going to look a little bit like that. It's going to be 2. And I'm looking for where it crosses the line y equals 6, these 2 points. And hence my range is going to be in between, because it's where the modulus function is below. So what I can do is I can look at when x minus 2 is equal to 6. That's going to be this point here. It's when the modulus isn't doing anything, so x is equal to 8. And then minus x plus 2, that's when the modulus kicks in, equals 6. Minus x is 4, so x is minus 4. And therefore my range is going to be minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. Let's do the same with the y one. I'm actually just going to modify this one as well to make it an x, just because I'm used to drawing little graphs, y against x. I'm actually going to solve the modulus of x plus 2 less than or equal to 4 for different x, but then I'll just make it y at the end. It's not a problem. And again, let's get a graph down. This time the critical value is minus 2. I'm going to get this v. It's going to go through 2, and I want to know where it's less than or equal to 4. So this range of values here. So I can have x plus 2 equals 4, x equals 2 was one of my values. Then minus x minus 2 equals 4. So minus x is 6, x is minus 6. And my range is minus 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, which means I've got the same thing but with y up here. Minus 6 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 2. And of course the same x1 from before. Right, and when we're nearly there, what's the greatest possible value of xy? So I actually want to make xy as big as I can, but it can be negative because the modulus is going to be kicking in. So I want to use the largest value of x that I can, 8, and I want to use, well, the lowest value of y that I can, because minus 6, the magnitude is bigger than 2. So I want to do 8 times minus 6, modulus of, which is going to give me 48. That will be my maximum value of the modulus of xy.